This video will show you how to change the printer ribbon for your ID Maker Edge printer. The first step to changing the ribbon is to open the ID Maker Edge printer lid. Be sure to avoid touching the printhead when doing this, as it is possible to cause a scratch that could cause your ID cards to print incorrectly in the future. Take out the blue sticky roller, called the cleaning spool. It is on a metal bar and should snap out once you lift up on it. Remove the metal bar from the old cleaning spool. Open your new ID Maker Edge printer ribbon box and take out the new cleaning spool. Remove the paper sticker and slide the metal bar into the new spool. Clip the new cleaning spool back into place. Then remove the packaging from the ID Maker Edge printer ribbon. There will be a band of plastic holding the two ends together. Remove the band of plastic to separate the two ribbon ends. Put the blue spool end into place near the back of the printer. Once the ribbon is in place, you can close the lid of the printer. At this point, you have successfully replaced your ID Maker printer ribbon and cleaning spool.